Hi, welcome back to the new section, and my name is Gautam. In the previous section, we have seen how to add different types of resources like PPT files, PDF files, ebook, and also video files, and how to add the authoring tool using and how to add different types of resources. So in this section, I'm going to show you how we can able to manage the lesson, course planner, and a complete course roadmap. That if you see the roadmap, whatever the course roadmap, week-wise schedule and plan, you have it in your course file. You have to update in the LMS system. So assessment, evaluation, everything. So you can just put it near to while you're preparing, and then you can prepare it according to the schedule that you have it. You can just use this as a starting point, week-wise course schedule and plan. So what I will do is I'll log into the LMS system, learning management system. So log in with your current credentials. So before I talk about the course schedule and course roadmap, I just want to show you something. When you log into the home page, you see different courses that you're teaching, and you have syllabus, evaluation planner, and course planner. So on the right hand side, you see the calendar that today and what lectures, media lectures that you're doing it. And here I want to show it different portal items. What are the different portal items that you want to see? So when we log in, we have seen the configure, when I select this thing, you can't select portal items. Please select that learning tool to configure menu. So here you can able to customize these menu items. So for this one, what you have to do is you have to go to the settings, and there's a color. So here you can customize the different colors that you want to apply it. If you want to change it to white, blue, this is customization, like you want to do what customizations. And portlet is nothing but different types of web portal item, web parts. These are called web part zones. This is nothing but it has some kind of functionality on the web page. So if you want to add these things, so just I want to add the announcement. So just click on the announcement and learning status, and also to-do list. So in the announcement, just click on the edit. So only one course may be assigned to one portlet, so I want to assign this one to the portlet. So in the announcement, in the thing, you can able to assign to only one course. Click on apply, and it's been saved. In the learning status, click on edit, and only one course may be assigned to one portlet. Click on the selected thing, click on apply. Now that you have it, to-do list, if you want to delete, you can just directly delete it. So what I'll do is I'll go to the LMS home, and here I have to add learning status, add, and to-do list. So almost 3 items you can able to add. You can able to add other items also. So you can adjust the position where you want, like this. So these are all the different customizations that you want to make, and here you can also read more. And once it is done, I think so I can extend also this one. Yeah, this is perfect, fine, and for me. And you can do refresh, or you can able to adjust the sizes according to wherever you want. So for this section, you can see the media lecture is 0%, and classroom lecture, virtual classroom lecture is 0%, and assignment 1, campus lecture, media lecture is there. So you can just click on the read more. So here, if I just select, so based on this course roadmap, whatever the courses that you're teaching according to the week, just do it according to the week. In suppose here I have till 6 weeks. This is the 6th week. So in this 6th week, what I am teaching: simulation, examples, and queuing and inventory system. So these are in progress. And if you want to find the activity, how many students are participating in this course and what is their status, and if you want to encourage them to have encourage them in this course, just click on the activity tracking. And here you can see the complete statistics, what kind of learning tools they are using and what is the percentage they are using. So this thing is like you can able to track the student activity. And you can also give an academic encouragement to the students if they are not able to perform whatever your expectations are there. So you can see the student and their level and these things. Suppose if I want to give the encouragement to this Abdullah Al Qasim Haruba, just click on the thing, click on the student ID, click on academic encouragement, and the sending tool, you want to send it by message, by email. Message means from the LMS system to the LMS system of the student. So student also will have the same access, but they can't able to edit it. Their role is only to view. But whereas as an instructor, you can able to edit, and you can able to send messages, and you can able to do a lot of customizations as a course coordinator or course teacher. So this is student ID. You can able to send. You can put a description and send it. And one thing I want to say is, whatever the things that you're uploading it, and whatever the things the students are seeing, just make sure that from the student, whenever the student is with you, or whenever you can just ask him to come over to your office, or you can just do it in the lab whenever you have free section, and you can just make sure when the student able to log in, he can able to see the courses that you have uploaded. Means suppose I go to the data modeling simulation 2438 course. So here I have uploaded a campus lecture. So queuing problems. So this thing is a classroom lecture, whatever the classroom lecture that they are participating in, and media lecture, and chapter 2 PPT. This file is there, and assignment. Make sure that you add the assignments if you are giving the assignment, and if there is a deadline, and what is the user submission. And if they are not able to send, you can just send an encouragement message like these things. And so I attached a document file, and it's in progress, and I given the deadline as March 9th 2016. So make sure the student can able to view whatever you uploaded, and make the sharing status available in the LCMS system. So that is what. And if you want to design any course or anything like that, you can click on the course design. So here, according to the course map, that you need to design syllabus evaluation planner by weeks. So in the evaluation planner, what is a percentage, team project, assignments, and what is a final exam, and all these things. In the lesson planner, you will do it by weeks. 17-week schedule, you have to do it according to the weeks whatever the lessons that you are teaching. So you just have to select week 6, and 3 things are there. And you can able to add one more thing also. Here we have media lecture, campus, and I want to add the quiz also. So, and I will add some other things later. Click on save. So once it is been saved, go to the quiz, go to the week 6, edit. It's online quiz or offline quiz. So it's an online quiz. I want to say. So when is the starting date and when is the ending date, the quiz, and time permitted minutes. So it's quiz. So I'll just give it non-limited. And score setting, I want to give it how many points, 5 points. And number of trials allowed, limited. I'll give them 2 trials. And the quiz score is open or closed. So what students can able to see, or so I want to keep it closed. I don't want students scores will be hidden from the students point of view. And click on next. And the question setting, no quiz has been added. Quiz should be added in the L back. So we'll see the quizzes. So one thing we have to make sure while doing the quizzes is the quiz has to be done for the future weeks. It's like I'll just show why the quizzes has to be done for the future weeks. So one thing, like suppose if I go for the week 6, which is a current week, and if I want to add a quiz to this section, like the quiz score is closed, because the quiz what I am doing it is based on whatever. Suppose I will just click on edit once. quiz should be added in LCMS. First thing is you have to do it in the LCMS system, and quizzes can be added when the status is not yet started. So you have to update the quiz before weeks only. Suppose this week, current week running is week 6. It's on 23rd February, and because I want to do the quiz for the week 7 and the week 8, so what I have to do is I have to do it before in hand only, these quizzes and all these things. So one thing, I'll go to the week 7. It's a campus lecture, and it has media lecture, it has quiz, and it has an assignment also. So we'll see how we can able to add quizzes in this thing. So campus lecture, as you know, it's all classroom lecture. So I'll discuss general principles of simulation, chapter 3, and classroom number is just update, and date and time, and week 7, so it starts from Sunday to March, so and still Thursday, I'm sorry, so starts from February Sunday, just close it, and it ends on February March Thursday. Click on close. The score setting for this quiz, I want to give 5 a campus lecture, 5 points, whatever the points you want to specify, and click on save. So once it has not been started, so the progress has not been started, but we scheduled it, and I think we saved it. Next thing is click on the media lecture and add the media lecture from the LCMS system. This is whatever the PPTs you have. So we have to select the course ID, go to the courseware. So this is chapter number 3. Click on select, click on submit, and title TMS chapter 3, the courseware, and date and time, it's from Sunday score setting, just put 5, and attachment, if there is any kind of attachment, so I want to add a resource, so it will go to the resource list, and in the data modeling and simulation, it's going to, I have to select chapter number 3. Yeah, it's chapter 3. Click on add resource, click on submit, required maybe 20 minutes, click on save. Now that I have the classroom lecture and media lecture, and then now what I want to do is I want to add the quiz. So click on add quiz. So it's an online quiz, so I'll just say and it starts from the next week to it ends from the March Thursday, and time permitted limited, it's of 5 minutes, and score setting 5 points, number of trials allowed limited 1, and the quiz score is open or closed, and it's an open, so if it is open the students can view the score. I want to just put it on the closed. I can just put it on open because they can, once they answer, they can see how many what they are getting the scores. Click on next. So in the score setting, so here no quizzes has been, click on new. So here what I have to search is search by resource name. So DMS quiz. I have one more thing by question. I will search. Yeah, quiz test group quiz DMS1. Click on save. So you have different search criteria. You can search by name, question, or type singular group. So this is a group quiz, and this is based on the question demo1. Click on save. So now I have got the 2 questions, multiple choice. This is a group quiz and points of 1 questions. Click on save. So it's been saved. Now the students can preview it from here. So whenever they answer these things, they can view the correct answers once they answer. This is just the answers view, but when they view, they can't view the answers based on it. So this is what how you can able to add the quiz. Next one is how we can able to add the assignments. So click on add, click on the assignment button and click on the title. Assignment 1. And attachment, attach from the LCMS system the resource whatever you have. So the resource name is data modeling and simulation. Just search. PPT chapter 1 lab manual. Yeah, this is assignment and this of docx format. Click on add resource, click on submit, and the time period starts from the 7th week, so from September. So I'll give it March 10th. It's a final day. And submission method, attachment hard copy or attachment hard copy or board. You can send the message through the board. So I want it as a hard copy, or they can set attachment hard copy. I'll just put it. And you can also import templates if you have any templates, because this is being done by the administrator. You don't have to do. Click on next. And what type of formats? Attachment size maximum 10 MB. How much MB you want to attach, and the maximum attachment size is of 300 MB. So without so there is a limit when the student submits, so they can able to submit up to 300 MB. It cannot be exceeded. And number of attachments, maximum number of attachments is 5 attachments, so they can't exceed more than 5 attachments. And attachment types, docx, PPT. I don't want to put Excel sheets, and not MP3, MP4. So they can't submit these other type of formats other than you uncheck these options. So whatever you checked it, they can be able to select those formats only. So click on the next. In the group setting, so these group settings is nothing but when they want to submit as a group or no. So I'll just put it as no. Just to save this. Yeah, now it's been saved. So this is how you do the media lecture, campus lecture, quiz and assignment. So we'll see some more things what else we have in the course. This is all how many. This is a learning tool. So many of the people is having a question like how much. I mean, if they see the report, they can see the learning the status, how many they uploaded. They uploaded the documents, but the thing is they didn't link. The thing is they have to link. I mean, everybody has to link it in the LMS system, so you can able to view how many learning tools you are using. Quizzes. So here you can see quizzes are for this course. Quizzes are 5 for this course. The quiz are 1, 2. For this course there is nothing. So I have to update this thing. So what I will do is I'll go to the course. So on the course I'll go to the weeks. So I'll go to the course design and the lesson planner. And this is week 6. So campus lecture. So I have campus, media, assignment and quiz. So this quiz, midterm exam, final exam, this all comes as a quiz for time of one. Bulletin, discussion, team project, assignments, they all come as a forums, because forums is nothing but is you can do the individual discussion. So suppose if I have keep the discussion board, click on save. Let's see how we can able to add the discussion board. So go to week 6. Click on the discussion board. Click on add a discussion. So in the title, TMS discussion. So this is like a forum demo where the students can interact with the instructor, and if they have any questions they can able to send. So related to course and chapter. So attachment, if there is any kind of attachment that you want to set it, you can set any attachments. And discussion date is from when to when, and from, I'll just keep it there. Notification by message, by internally through the LMS system, and email or SMS or push message. So when the student views this thing, they can only view it when they open the LMS system. So next one, so allow replies, private or public. No, private is no, because if you want to make it as a public, if you say yes, other students cannot see what you are interacting with the student. And attachment types, what are the formats you are doing. User group setting, I'll just keep no. Import past data, if you want to import any past data, and if there is any grade for this discussion, you can just put yes or no. So click on save. So this is a discussion forum where you want to create different types of discussions and all those things. So right now we have seen different kinds of things, and I want to show this thing also. And counseling is one thing where if you want to give counseling to the section to the student, and you want to keep so see here 9:30 to 9:59 today I am free, so you can just paste on the, just click on the date at what time you will be free, so that the students can know. Students can go and take an appointment with you for the counseling section. So you can see, you can set your office timings, free timings here, and students can view and can have a counseling section with you regarding the course or regarding the project or anything like that. This is useful if you want to schedule your projects or if you want to make sure that you are free during this time. In charting, you can create chart groups for different students. So for this one, I'll go to this course, create charting room, and here you get the list of students. You can select and create a new charting room for this set of students. And this final grade, this is not yet been done because the semester has not been ended, and this is a complete usage of LMS system. Now we will try to navigate to the student information system. From this portal only we can just navigate. So just click on the student information systems and SIS. So this system is mainly used for e-portfolio and statistics. So you can see the complete portfolio of the student, and also about you, and also the statistics, how the students are performing, and also you can you can create reports and generate reports of their grades and the counseling, and how they are using the learning tools, all these things. So this is a complete graphical tool to make you to understand how the students are performing, and what is their status, and how many are really participating, how many are really using the LCMS system, LMS systems, and all those things. So one thing, when you log in, you will give the personal information. You will have you can able to change the picture, and you can able to edit your information from here. And here you can see the track academic activity, like what course we have and what is in progress. Progress is always indicated in blue dot, and what is completed, if they have completed this section or not. So you can see for this section students are 14, I mean for academic section 2, and so if you go to the details of this section, introduction to, this is a week 3 section. So if you want to see, so this is period and 2016. So here in the period, what I will select is from 17th to 26/5. I'll just see the complete. So here you can see the green one indicates its section number is 2439, the orange one 2442, and the gray one 2443. So the personal information, you can see the track activity and all these things. So once I go to the student search, second semester, click on the find button, you can see the total number of students participating in this course. And also if you From here, if you click on the e-portfolio, you can see their personal information. What is the personal information about their statistics and what courses they are taking and all these things. So this is and also you can see the grades, academic history, certification, counseling, and forums. So this is the complete student information that you get it from here. And course information, so you can see what courses they are taking in this semester. So what courses you are giving in this semester. So far it shows up 5, but it's only 5 groups it's showing up. And learning content, so here it shows whatever you uploaded in the LCMS system. So what type of learning content you uploaded. Maybe I'll just refresh it once. Yeah, see, now it's refreshed. So whenever you upload new contents, it will be uploading author tool, others, quiz and test and all this. You can also preview it from here, and also you can able to print or download it from here directly, the resource, and you can link it to the LCMS system with SAS system too. And you can see my coursewares, and you are in the default category, computer science information system. So you can see just say shows 3 coursewares are there, and you can filter these things. You can also see the my files if there are any files, lab manual, web contents, and data modeling and simulation. So here you can see the folders, and here you can see the student grades, and I think how much they are really participating in the campus lecture, virtual lecture, and how much they are getting all these things. So it's a complete statistics tool to understand the student activity taking the courses. So counseling is nothing but how many students have attended for your counseling section and all these things. And forums is how many students have participated in the forum section and all these things. So when I go to the statistics, here you can able to print the reports, the course sections that are taking. Like you can able to print instructor or student. So just see the instructor. So here you can see data modeling and simulation report. You can see in this group 8 students are from 5th level, and 3 students are from 4th level, and 3 students are from. So it gets a complete overview of the picture, like how many students they are there, and how many are using the how many students from the 14 students from which level they are, and what is their LMS utilization, means how they are using the system. So with this system you can get a complete picture, and we have learning tools, also statistics, how many virtual lectures. And if I go to there is no virtual lectures, so I'll go to media lectures, instructor. So I'll just print. So here you can see for the week numbers and the media lecture running time and the attendance rate, and here you can get the complete picture about how their students are coming, and how many are using the learning tools, and how much percentage of the learning tools you are using it to upload it to the system and making use to link it to the LMS system. So Courseware, here you can see the resources, Courseware and MySpace, and resource downloads if you want to download anything. So if you want to see the files that are there in the system. So this is a student information system, and this is completely a useful tool to track the information, academic activity, and all these things, and to understand the students' way of progress in the system. And this is what complete picture about the GEM system. And thank you for watching.